Hi everyone. So today we'll be talking about Project IDX. It is somehow a workspace in the cloud provided by Google. And you can create a bunch of things here. It's pretty much just VS Code on the web. And yeah, you can create a web app or a Flutter app or even import a repository from GitHub. But for the sake of simplicity, and as an example, let's create a Flutter app. And next, maybe I'll talk about that later on, or you could just Google that. They've got a bunch of documentations regarding that. So, Google, when they set up your workspace, they connect your workspace to a virtual machine. So, this virtual machine is like your computer. Just think of it as your laptop, and your VS Code IDE is running in the web, basically something like that. And so far, as far as I know, to be able to use this is free by the way, you have to join the waitlist first, and then they will send you an email with the link to your dashboard. And so far, I think you can only create two workspaces in your account. By the way, a workspace is basically a project of some sort. Yeah. And as you can see, it looks like VS Code. If I remember correctly, this is built on top of VS Code. So yeah. And some of the, maybe not all, but I think as far as I remember, because it has been a month, I guess, since the last time I've used it, you could still use keyword shortcuts just as you would when you work with VS Code locally. So as you can see, you can also render the web, web preview, as well as the iOS and Android. I'm not sure if this is already working, but during their first release, Android and iOS preview were still not available, so I think as of now they have already developed it. And so yeah, this is pretty much it. You can also build other things just as you would when using VS Code locally. The thing about Project IDX, the thing I like the most about it is the free compute power. Not all of us have powerful computers, and if you are a computer science or computing engineering student and you need a whole load of computing power, then Project IDX is a good option for you. But I am not sure as of now if Google is still accepting people who want to join the waitlist, but you can search the Project IDX, and maybe, just maybe, you could still join the waitlist. So we have other options as well when it comes to coding in the cloud, which is Google Colab, and which is free, GitHub Workspaces, which is, oh no, GitHub Code Spaces, sorry. And I did come over or cross over some other options as well, but I forgot to jot it down. But so far, this is the best that I have used so far. Project IDX. GitHub Codespaces is also pretty similar because I think it was also built on top of VS Code. But the thing about Project IDX is that it is free as of now. So if you're looking for some free compute power as of the moment, Project IDX is the way to go. But yeah, I'm not sure of the data. I haven't read the clauses or the terms and conditions regarding this one, but it is still a lifesaver. And that's it. Bye.